Well, welcome back, subscribers. Just got back from our trip to Mexico, and took the vet and tried to do a couple, top speed runs. Max so far was 186, and they say, what's the last thing that goes through a bug's mind when it hits your car doing 186? Well, I don't know, but this is the result. I don't think the front of this car has ever looked so bad. But that being said, I figured, you know what, this will make a good vlog, because I am going to do head-to-head comparison. I'm going to do Turtle Wax bug and tar remover on one half of the car. This is just a spray-on application, wipe it off with a microfiber or soft towel, versus Rain-X bug and tar gel. This is spray on, leave for 3 to 5 minutes, and then wash off. So I'm just going to pick a line right down the center. I'll do one half Turtle Wax, one half Rain-X, and I'll show you the difference. So I figure it's a good product review, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I bumped the shutter setting on the camera, so hopefully you can make out all of the crap all over the front of the car. Man, that is bad. And I've set up the Rain-X bug and tar pre-wash gel on the left, and the Turtle Wax, that's their new RX, Renew RX bug and tar remover on the right. I'm going to spray on the Rain-X first, because that's 5 to 10 minutes soaking, and then spray off. The Turtle Wax says whatever, 1 or 2 minutes, and then wipe off. So let's get started with the Rain-X first and see how they both do. Well, you can definitely see a difference in the application. The Turtle Wax is kind of a soapy spray, and the Rain-X is just kind of a liquid. Now, my only concern right now that I realize is I hope the Turtle Wax doesn't actually work better than the Rain-X, because I've only got one bottle of that, and I've got another bottle of this. So fingers crossed, at least for right now. So I'm going to give this Turtle Wax probably another, I don't know, 30 seconds or 60 seconds or so, and then we'll try to wipe it off. I'm not too fond of that, because, I mean, what am I going to do? I'm going to wipe it off with a microfiber or a towel, and then throw this away, or I've got to wash it, where the Rain-X is just kind of sprayed off with a hose. So we'll see what the difference is. Both look like they're kind of, penetrating the bug splatters pretty good, but I'd also be curious if I could kind of section the car off into 3 different parts, and then just hit one section with high pressure water or something, and see if any of it even makes a difference. But again, stay tuned. All right, so I don't care too much for this particular towel, so let's see how we do. I mean, for the most part, the back of the bottle says, you know, keep rubbing and buffing the area until clean. Yeah, that's not really my idea of kind of bug and tar remover. I just want to spray something on there and kind of let it do its thing, and then kind of, you know, just spray it off. So yeah, I'll tell you, so far, not too impressed. This stuff up here on the headlights is not coming off. I mean, you might as well, this could just be, yeah, this stuff's crap. Now, well, there's your Turtle Wax bug and tar remover. Like I said, not really impressed. Could have basically done the same thing just with, you know, soap and water in a bucket and just kind of pre-soaked it and then come back a few minutes later. So I'm going to give this other side a few more minutes. It's only been like maybe 2 or 3. It says 5 to 10, so I'll give it its full 10. I mean, it does look like it's kind of broken down. I mean, that's pretty impressive compared to this stuff. I mean, I could still feel that's not really breaking that down at all. So I mean, if anything, I might just spray some more of this on there and, you know, try it again in another minute or 2. But yeah, very disappointing. You suck. All right, so it's been about 6 minutes, and I've got the garden hose, and I just have this set to jet, so it's not a pressure washer or anything. I just want to see how this works for like your average person, like myself. Okay, so first impressions, they both suck. But in all fairness, the Turtle Wax has pressure, and you know, I mean, at least the towel rubbing over everything. So I'm gonna now take same towel and at least wipe this down and see if this comes off any better than what the Turtle Wax. So Rain-X versus Turtle Wax. I would say I honestly can't tell the difference. They both suck. The Rain-X feels cleaner, just wiping it, but I could have probably accomplished the exact same thing just with hot soapy water and a bucket. So I'm probably going to take the rest of this Rain-X, the other bottle that I have. I'll just soak it again, let it sit for like the 10 minutes, and then just wash the rest of the car. So there you go. I think this at Walmart was $3.29, and this at Walmart was like $4.39. So it was about $1 difference, and honestly, I can't really tell the difference between the two. If I had to pick one, even if they were both the same, putting this, spraying it, and wiping it off with a microfiber versus just letting this soak for 10 minutes before you wash the car and then spraying it off, this one's gonna win, you know, hands down. So I'll come back, you know, afterwards, let you see the finished product. Well, unfortunately, neither one of those cleaners did I don't know, like a miracle job. I mean, you can't just like spray it and forget it. Nothing really beats elbow grease, I guess. You know, car looks good now. I would say, again, between both of them, the Rain-X was a little bit better. However, the smell is kind of like WD-40, and there's definitely kind of this oily residue on there. So I would say if I had to do it again, I probably wouldn't. I would just soak everything down with hot soapy water and you know, kind of go from there. I do still have a few marks on the front that look like paint chips, but it's actually just bugs that are so embedded that they just are like little black dots. And I think I hit them so hard I even left pieces of them on the back bumper. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, you know, blah blah blah, and catch you on the next one.